forward guns going? Why aren't those rear batteries firing? Somebody get General Wilson on the horn!
Colonel Huey.
Doom, I'll have your head for this.
I have little time for your petty threats, Colonel. Surrender your ship now, or I shall destroy it.
Not on my watch.
This is a priority alert to all metahumans. UN and Alpha requested immediate assistance.
Lord, take care of those gunships. Spider-Man, draw them towards the stern.
Sure thing. I just love being a target.
Wolverine, you know it, Boy Scout. I don't take orders from you.
Soulless machine! How dare you strike the son of Odin!
Show off.
Excuse me, is this the ferry to Staten Island? Looks like you could use some help. That dude scares me.
What are you girls looking at?